9 to 5, grind and strive. Fucking nigga pay me less. It pay my bills at minimal, but see it pay me stress. Doing this, doing that, and turn around and scold you true. How I did it wrong when I just did it like you told me to. Fuck you, eat a dick. That's what I be really thinking. Yes, sir. No, sir. That's what I be really speaking. Cause even though this job pissed me off, obviously, what make a nigga piss more is living poverty. Obviously, I gotta work, suck it up and give a smirk. Smiling even though it hurt and see my boss a fucking jerk. They call it a paycheck, it's really disrespect. That shit's so low I can't afford to call collect. And that's better than Mike Jack with the White Sox. I'm steady slaving for days, just give me one shot. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. I see them laughing as they passing and harass me colder. Cause see my passion keeps on passing me, I'm getting older. That's why I rarely let people at my job know I rap. Cause that just turned to some circus like I'm an acrobat. And my coworkers are nosy and I don't miss it hard. Can you do a rap at a job Christmas party? Hell no, you ain't shit offended you would ask me to. Don't get it twisted that I'm working here cause I'm just passing through. But they don't believe me cause I've been here for years working. And so it's seeming it's dreaming the rapping ain't working. On a professional level it's so objectional shovel I'm doing dirt with, so every day I work shit. I'm steady slaving, behaving just like I'm Roots Tobin. I feel dejected, rejected, sit on my stoop slowly. And it's better than Mike Jack with the White Sox. I'm steady slaving for days, just give me one shot. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights.
Took like 30 years, but I found myself ironic with these issues all around my health. I know it ain't nothing new, no it's all being felt. I know I'ma get it right, no I found my help, it's you. No execs want that dope dealer, that go stick up a cold killer. Hit way the prone, that pull that forefinger. Body leave a soul, then you know the code lingers. Have a wake with some cold singers, eat some cold winners, Tell me where your people finding their identity. Kid, I'm telling you it's not who they pretend to be. Future said he ain't sipping lean, but the industry won't let him intervene with them songs about him getting clean. You ain't a person, you a brand. Your persona's whatever, put money in their hands, they won't let it go. Feed them poison with no antidote, avoiding antidotes. Is telling kids without no hand or hold, that's holding on to your words. The man up in that mirror's way too unfamiliar. I don't know him. No, I don't know him. Who you say I am, that's who I am. Who you say I am, that's who I am. That's who I'll be. That's who I'll be. That's who I'll be. That's who I'll be. Who you say I am, that's who I am. Who you say I am, that's who I am. That's who I'll be. That's who I'll be. That's who I'll be. That's who I'll be. Yeah. That sea, to finally realize you had a plan for me. I know I don't know directions when I treat you in a vein. While I'm in this world of chaos, I'm with you, it's so serene. Had to get involved when I found out who I was. When I thought I was forgotten, picked me up and said I'm loved. But this life got overwhelmed and dropped them blessings from above. My suppliers never running dry, I know that you the plug. Execs want that. Who cares, man, I spend too much time competing in world affairs. I'm called to be counterculture, fill my circle with no squares. Sick of the second surface, seeing what my people getting instead. Don't know who they supposed to be. They got the goal, but don't know the one on that rosary. They chasing goals, but they fighting the wrong opponents. Be them broken souls, but he's the only atonement, G. The man up in that mirror's way too unfamiliar. I don't know him. No, I don't know him. Say I am, that's who I am. You say I am, that's who I am. That's who I'll be. Yeah, that's who I'll be. Yeah, no, you say I am, that's who I am. You say I am, that's who I am. That's who I'll be. That's who I'll be. That's who I'll be.
Underestimated, underrated, the darkness I rose up. Gold in my soul, it's a gold rush. Honor and freedom, I toast up. Kicking game on the snare drum. Hard on the beat, let it bleed out like sacrifices. Cut it open, emotions spilling like oil and coasting. Therapy for my mental, I'm pinning a pistol and shoot down the criticisms. Individually, I heard the voices that told us, throw dirt on my name and wish me the worst and scold us, Shot through the heart and pray on my downfall. But Young T prevailed on my outlaw. Stand on top of the table like John Wall. Got the cross on my chest like Olympic gold. Rap it smooth on the floor like a jazz song. Witness greatness, look up in LeBron home. Remember next time for you doubt us. That only made me go John Jones. HGH, I got the shortcut. God on my side, you got bad luck. Look at how they all doubt us, they doubt us, Underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, Underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, we the ones, we the ones, we the ones, we the ones,
Just a sentimental kid with a little bit of attention deficit. Hyperactive disorder, always out of order. I never had a chance though, but I would've wished on every single sad song. Never really knowing the moments I was groaning was zoning by the opponent. Kids like me, Satan sees an opportunity, making me feel immunity. As long as my community can sin like me, there's nothing more you need than you can be at peace for your life. And realize I was swallowing lies instead of my pride, and I had to give my life to the eternal Christ. Now I'm
underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, Underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, we the ones, we the ones, we the ones, we the ones, Underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, Underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, we the ones, we the ones, we the ones, we the ones, Underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, Underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated, we the ones, we the ones, we the ones, we the ones.
Popping on the west side, cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. Popping on the west side, cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. I'ma blow today. I ain't hearing what they say. Need a blue face, I've been caring about a race. I've been trying to eat, I need more than just a taste. Now they tryna talk, oh no, they should know their place. Man, I'm ballin', this ain't cap, baby, now I feel like calling. From the O, but I got the music poppin'. All the time, man, it started get obnoxious. Now I gotta drop, yeah, I'm feeling nauseous. Gotta drop top down, then I hop out. I've been feeling hot now. Feeling like the man, I'm my own boss now. Telling all my exes, now they getting crossed out. Popping on the west side, cause it's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. Popping on the west side, cause it's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today.
I already blew up, man, I knew I would okay. Who the hell is you to tell the dude that I ain't great? Play my work, then work my plan, and now I'm on my straight. I soak up the love and I repel all of the hate. Big Sage, why they tryna play us? I make 20 racks to rap up on the stage, I invested that right back to my estate, Dinner table, everyone gon' get a play, started with $5 bills. Shoot for dollars in the Ville. I'm in the villa, I'm counting the spiller. My mama say I gotta chill. Turn it down, record deals. Now I got a couple mil. Automated all the bills. I'm concerned about the thrills. I'm on a yacht with a big booty, 10 out of 10, little mama. I'm on a tour bus, moving around the country, counting money in pajamas. I don't deal with any drama. You gotta email my sister. That's my assistant. I'm about the business. God is my business.
Living on the west side, cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. I've been on the west side, cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. I'ma blow today. I ain't hearing what they say. Need a blue face, I've been caring about a race. I've been trying to eat, I need more than just a taste. Now they tryna talk, oh no, they should know their place. Man, I'm ballin'. This ain't cap, baby, now I feel like calling. From the O, but I got the music poppin'. All the time, man, it started get obnoxious. Now I gotta drive, yeah, I'm feeling nauseous. Gotta drive top down, then I hop out. I've been feeling hot now. Feeling like the man, I'm my own boss now. Telling all my exes, now they getting crossed out. I've been on the west side, cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. Popping on the west side, cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today.
I already blew up, man, I knew I would okay. Who the hell is you to tell the dude that I ain't great? Play my work, then work my plan,